working consciously to unlearn racist thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. I found Sandra McKechnie's workshop, Double Consciousness Advanced, to be accessible, fearless, and powerful in its purposeful approach to transform the hearts, minds, and souls of white participants so they can use their white privilege alongside folks from the Black community to disrupt, challenge, and police implicit bias.
I got it. The lights went on. Double consciousness that's what it equates to. Going in the groove, getting in the mess, lamenting, getting the feelings, working it through, and coming out like a butterfly. That's what double consciousness did for more.
I've been able to go to 2 different sessions by Sandra, and they have been incredible, genuinely life-changing.
We can transform lives together.
I truly know who I am. I love my Blackness.
Please make the investment in Sandra's Double Consciousness.
Double Consciousness has changed my life. You've got to register.
Thank you and take care.